Shall we discuss OB1 test? Spencer's Amorati was published along with Dash. Amorati was published along with Epithalamion in the 1595 edition. What else was published in 1595? Apology for Poetry. When was Prothalamion published? 1596. Who is considered the author of Ur Hamlet? Thomas Kidd. When was the first edition of Paradise Lost printed? 1667. Milton's Paradise Regained is in how many books? 4 books. Spencer's Amorati was first published in 1595 by William Ponsonby. Who is William Jaggard? William Jaggard is the publisher of Passionate Pilgrim, which was attributed to Shakespeare. Passionate Pilgrim was believed to be by Shakespeare, but it's not by Shakespeare. Gabriel Harvey is Spencer's friend. The preface to the Lyrical Ballads was added in the Dash edition of the book. 1800 edition it was added, and 1802 it was expanded. 1800 is the answer. Appendix was included in which edition? 1802. First edition had advertisements. Second edition had preface. Third edition had revised preface and appendix. Who coined the term sprung rhythm? Hopkins. Who is Duns Scotus? An early religious philosopher who influenced Hopkins. Who is Robert Bridges? The man who published Hopkins' poems, and he's called Poet of 9 o'clock in the morning. What was the complete title of Lyrical Ballads when it was published? Lyrical Ballads, comma, with a few other poems. Which of the following is not an epyllion? Sohrab and Rustum, Hero and Leander, The Rape of Lucrece, Palamon and Arcite. Palamon and Arcite. Sohrab and Rustum is by Matthew Arnold. It is a narrative poem and an epic, little epic, based on Firdausi's Shah Nama. Which is the other narrative poem by Matthew Arnold? Tristram and Isolde. Sohrab and Rustum and Tristram and Isolde. Who wrote Hero and Leander? Marlowe. Which of the following novels is based on the revenge tradition and draws on Thomas Kidd's The Spanish Tragedy for inspiration? Orhan Pamuk's Snow. Read about it, okay? Orhan Pamuk, Thomas Kidd, like that, Google search and read. Joseph Heller's Catch-22 is war novel, Second World War novel. Norman Mailer's Naked and the Dead is a novel that was banned for obscenity. Umberto Eco's Name of the Rose is historiographic metafiction. It's about a Benedictine monastery and murder. Will you read Orhan Pamuk's Snow and post in the group about it? Don't post link.